Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Anyway. In this video, what about I talk to you for the Discord loading junk file error. So now let's go ahead. Then like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel and step by step follow to this problem fix it. Okay, now let's go ahead that steps. Now first step for the run as admin. Now go to the Discord, then right click and go to properties. Now compatibility. Select the run this program as compatibility mode. Now hit the apply and OK button click here to close it. Now go to next step, task manager. Now go to that this background running. Now go to the task manager, then find discard. Now go to discard, then select right click, then end task click here to close it. Now come to back, then go to below. The next step for the temporary files deleted. So some corrupted files deleted. So go to that search bar, then type that run, then click here. Now then percentage temp, then percentage type it, then OK button click here to open the file folder. Open, then selected all, then right click, delete button click here to delete all folders. These all temporary files are corrupted files, so all files continue to delete it. Then come to back. It is finishing soon. Okay, skip it. Now go to the power start menu, then power key press, restart button click here to restart your system. After that your problem fixed now. Then go to the Discord app, then normally working. Thanks for watching and like and comment this video. This method working, then only subscribe our YouTube channel. That is more like this video you have seen there. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Still not working, then only comment section go to comment it. I will be some information or some tips I given.